Good morning, friends. Please listen very carefully. Today, our topic is what is generative AI? What is generative AI? This is an important topic. Many students hear many students hear this word but do not understand clearly. Do not understand clearly. First, understand the word generative. What the word? The word generative. Generative. Generative means to generate. To generate. That is to create something new. To generate. That is to create something new. Something new. Now the definition. I will share the screen. Now the definition. Okay. Okay, friends. Day 4. What is generative AI? Okay. What is generative AI? Now, the definition. Generative AI is a type of AI that can create new new context like text, images, audio, or code by predicting the next output. Generative, please note this word. Create, create, not choose, not classify, create. Now, why is this concept important? This concept, why important? Earlier, AI systems were simple. Okay, traditional AI can classify data, can predict labels, can give yes or no answers. Okay, example, is this email spam or not? Is this email spam or not? Answer is either yes or no. Okay, that is traditional AI. Okay, generative AI. Generative AI is different. Generative AI different. Generative AI can write text, can create images, can generate voice, can write code. Okay, so remember this clearly. Traditional AI answers. Traditional AI answers. Generative AI creates. Generative AI creates. Answering versus creating. Okay. Now, key points to remember. Generative AI create new context, new content does not copy paste data, lens patterns from generate lens pattern from large data predicts next word, pixel or sound. Okay, generates output step by step. Generates output step by step. Very important point. Output is newly generated. Output is newly generated. Okay. Uh, okay, I will repeat it. Therefore, generative AI text. Core concept in one line. Core concept in one line. Generative AI is a type of AI that can create new content like text, images, audio, or code by predicting the next output. Why this concept is important? Traditional AI only classifies or predicts. Generative AI can create new thinking, new things. ChatGPT, Image AI, Voice AI are all generative AI. Are all generative AI. Key points to remember. Generative AI creates new content. It does not copy exact data. It does not copy exact data. Important point. Okay. It learns patterns from large data. It predicts next word, pixel, sound. Output is generated step by step, used in text, image, audio, video, and code. Okay. Next, traditional AI versus general AI, generative AI. Okay. Next, listen carefully. Now, daily life examples. Please understand carefully. Please understand carefully. First example, Chat GPT. Chat GPT. You ask question. It does not search and paste answers. It does not search and paste answers. It predicts the next word based on patterns. It generates the answer step by step. This is generative AI. Second example, image AI. Image AI. You give text like generate a dog wearing a cap. Generate a dog wearing a cap. System creates new image. That image did not exist earlier. This is generative AI. Third example, voice AI. You give text. System generates human-like speech. Sound is created using learned patterns. Sound is created using learned patterns. This is generative AI. Fourth example, code AI. Code AI. You say, write a sample program. System generates code, not copied, newly created. This is generative AI. Okay. Traditional AI versus generative AI. Traditional AI gives yes or no answers, classify data, predicts labels. Example, this is email spam or not. Okay. Generative AI. Generative AI creates new content, writes, draws, speaks, produces human-like output. Example, write an email, generate an email, generate an image, answering, write an email is answering, generate an image is creating. Okay, simple daily life examples, chat GPT. Chat GPT write answers and explanations. Image AI creates new images from text. Voice AI generates human-like speech. Code AI writes simple programs. Simple programs. Okay. Next. Now, simple working flow. Very important. Training data. Training data. Pattern learning. Next. Next output pattern. Okay. Next generate content. Okay. Repeat with me. Slowly repeat with me. First, training data. And then next, pattern learning. Next, output. Next, output prediction. Generated content. Output prediction. Generated content. This is how generative AI works. Now, interview and exam questions. What is generative AI? What is generative AI? Generative AI is an AI system that can create new content like text, images, or audio by predicting the next output learned patterns. Based on learned patterns. Okay. Next question. Why is it called generative AI? Because it generates new content instead of selecting from fixed answers. Now, common confusions. Generative AI does not copy paste. Okay, generative AI does not think like humans. It works on probability. It works on probability and patterns. Output is always newly generated. Always newly generated. Okay, next. Simple flow, easy to remember. I repeat again. Training data. Training data to pattern learning. Pattern learning to next output prediction. Next output prediction to generate content. Interview examples. What is generative AI? Generative AI is an AI system that can create new content like text, images, or audio by predicting the next output based on learned patterns. Why is it called generative? Because it generates new content instead of selecting from fixed answers. Common confusion to avoid. Generative AI does not copy paste. Generative AI does not think like humans. It works on probability and patterns. Okay. Output is newly generated. That's why. Okay. Next. Now, one line to remember. No, one line to remember. Very important. One line to remember. Very, very, very important. Please listen very carefully. Generative AI equals creating new content using prediction. Only one line. Generative AI equals creating new content using prediction. Now, quick self questions, self checks. Generative AI only classifies data. Yes or no? Generative AI only classifies data. Yes or no? No. Okay. Next question. Generative AI can create text and images. Generative AI can create text and images. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. I repeat the questions. One line to remember very important. Generative AI equal to creating new content using prediction. Quick self check. Generative AI only classifies data. Yes or no? No. Generative AI can create text and images. Yes or no? Yes. Okay, friends. Next. And that's all, friends. That's all for today, friends. We'll meet next class. Thank you. Okay, friends. Thank you.